My name is Deborah Arguello. I spent 30 years in the Air Force in logistics, and I was in 10 or 11 different bases all over Europe and the US. I got into real estate because while I was in the military, my ex and I used to buy houses wherever we were able. And our first house was in California, then we went to Germany, couldn't buy a house there, but we went to England, bought a house there, then we bought a house in Idaho, then we bought a house in Utah. Just kept buying houses and figured that was the best way to shelter money and taxes, to lower our income taxes. And just kept doing it from there. And then when we finally did go our separate ways, we sold our houses after they had been rented for a while. And then I bought a couple houses on my own. When I first heard about Sentry, I was a little skeptical at first, I think, moving from one big company to another smaller company, although I love smaller companies. But after we were with them for a while, I realized that it's a really good company. I really like it. I'm Deb Arguello and I serve with Sentry. My spirit animal is, I've been thinking about that. The only thing that pops in my head is a unicorn, because I'm one of a kind.